If you are wondering if Xiaomi Watch 5 is waterproof, then the answer is yes, but to some degree, of course. We have a water resistance rating of 5 ATM, which means that, at least in theory, Xiaomi Watch 5 should be able to withstand pressure up to 5 atmospheres, which is equivalent to a static laboratory depth of 50 meters or 164 feet. And this also means that it should be fine to use it when you wash your hands, if there are like accidental splashes onto your watch or stuff like that. And for example, if you have a walk or if you perform some exercises outside during the rain or snow, it should also be fine. So essentially, like very little contact to the water should be acceptable for the smartwatch. I mean, the smartwatch should be fine in that specific case. Or cases, but if you want to put it in deeper waters, so like if you want to use it while swimming, maybe if you want to, I don't know, use it during like hot showers or stuff like that, then it's definitely recommended to not do so. Well, in fact, swimming can still be fine to some degree. If you have like, if you swim on a shallow water, then it might be fine, but still I wouldn't really risk it. I would just take it off when you go swimming. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.